Well, it was, I think the introduction of the Kuwaiti CMA was a very important factor in the drive of Kuwait to becoming a strong regional financial center. Kuwait has a deep and wealthy history of experience, track record. If you look at the Kuwaiti market today, it constitutes, in terms of listed entities, almost over 30% of listed entities in the Gulf at least are from Kuwait. If you look at the market cap of those entities, they constitute around 10%. If you look at the liquidity of the market, it's around 3%. That reflects maybe the challenge the market has. That challenge resulted in a growth of that challenge is a result of a growth, significant growth of companies that had IPOed in the market. With limited regulation, we had a number of issues with some of these companies, a number of issues with instruments that were in the market. The CMA coming in has a significant role, has started to implement a significant role in enhancing a number of areas. If you look at their policies since introduction, increasing corporate governance was a key. Introducing significant measures in anti-money laundering, another aspect. You look at regulating securities, developing tools such as market making, sophistication in the market, which is lacking. We have a simple market that needs more sophistication. The significant initiatives that the CMA has undertaken is making this market closer and closer to moving from being a frontier market to an emerging market. And that's an important role that the CMA is undertaking. We see that the CMA has had a starting time to develop its own procedure, policies, and approach, and now we're starting to see the results of their action, of their policies and procedures. Licensing of regulated companies that they regulate, such as investment companies, regulating of new securities, introduction of more sophistication in the market. So in December, for example, of 2014, they've introduced guidance on preferred stock issuances. So we're increasingly seeing their role and activity apparent. Where the challenge is for the CMA to be more of a more supervising entity rather than direct engagement entity, and basically to shorten the cycle of getting transactions done, because time value of money aspect for a lot of corporates is very important. So we are pretty much happy that the CMA is there. We are positive on their impact. There has been some teething issues, but I think one by one these issues are being resolved.